Hello everyone. So लोग क्या कहेंगे? We all had somewhere this fear of this statement, like what people will think about me, what opinion they are sharing about me, what they are thinking. And on this statement, on this rubric, sensitive to opinion of others, people fear of opinion of others, there are these two main remedies, Cilicia and Calcaraca. So let's differentiate them and let's discuss individually about them. So let's take Cilicia. We all know Cilicia is a very timid, mild, very introverted guy, very shy guy. Like he will be very close, doesn't has so many friends, has very close group of people, and it's also very favorite student of a teacher. Always listens to them, very disciplined, and is very shy and will always be like on his own work studios like. And from where this comes, like, so Cilicia has a fixed imageness. He has created a fixed image and is very image conscious, and in front of everyone, no, he wants to maintain that image. For example, say in a family, parents, there is one kid, and parents have an expectation that their kid should be well behaved, should be very studious. So now he takes those things very seriously, and he wants to portray that image only what the parents have the expectations, like, or some other relative in the family has an expectation that he should, my son or my this relative, my bhatija or some, should be very good, kind hearted, studious, disciplined, should not be notorious, should come first in the class. So this silly, this all expectations, they create so much pressure on this Cilicia child that Cilicia becomes very say image conscious, and now he wants to maintain this image, like, yes, I am studious, I am disciplined, I should not do this. If I will do this, then my parents will not like, my relatives will not like. If I have a desire also to do some masti, no, but I should be a studious, I should get 99%. I need to become doctor because my parents want to become my doctor. Yes, I will secure 99%, and I will. So that's why there is so much fear of failure, fear of exams, anticipation before exam. He wants to maintain that image. So this is where Cilicia's log kya kahenge, sensitive to opinion of others comes. Now let's take Calcaraca. So Calcaraca is like a sweet child, very comfort. He likes his own comfort. He wants to enjoy. He's a very pampered kid, likes to be in company, and since he is pampered, but he has at the same time lots of fears, anxieties, fear of uncertainties, anxiety about future, and main issue of Calcaraca is security. So he wants to be well surrounded by people, comfortable people, not people, but people who comfort him. And in later part of the year, means years in life, he wants to be financially secured. He wants a spouse which gives him security and makes him feel comfortable. So somewhere, this at the same time, at intelligence level, he is very confused also. He is also dependent on his comfortable people, that he himself cannot take stand of them. So somewhere he is underconfident and very confused. So in this area, this statements came, लोग क्या कहेंगे, लोग क्या सोच रहे हैं, like, what if people come to know that I am internally underconfident? What if people come to know that I am confused, I cannot take decision of mine? What if people come to know? So he will try to hide those parts, try to pretend those parts. So in this way, Calcaraca is sensitive to opinion of others. So do share me your views, and there are many other remedies also which have this statement, log kya kahenge. And if you are thinking log kya kahenge, don't think, follow your heart, follow your passion, and be a successful homeopath. Thank you so much. Do comment and do share the video.